welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Desiree. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, thank you so much for joining in with me today. I have been posting videos like I should, y'all. I've had a lot going on, and I'm gonna make a video talking about that as well. But today we are going to do a little DIY project. So my room is kind of small. I live with my sister. My room is kind of small, and like my closet is kind of small, so I need to make a shoe rack. So I'm gonna make a shoe rack today. You guys are gonna do it with me. I'm not the most Bob the Builder, you know. We're gonna see how this goes, okay? So yeah, we're gonna see how this goes, guys. So stay tuned. Y'all are gonna see my room. My room is kind of junky right now because I have so much going on, because I'm trying to do so much at once. So just bear with me. And yeah, let's get straight into it. Let's do this. Here we go. Just unboxed everything. So this is everything that we have right now. Got my little instructions right there. And again, bear with me, guys, and excuse my room. Like I said, it is kind of junky, so I'm sorry, but here we go. All right, y'all, so I'm just moving my bed around right quick because that's the only way the shoe rack is gonna fit. So yeah. Okay, so right here I'm just preparing everything, so I'm just separating and placing labels on everything, because y'all, I do not be knowing what to do. So I gotta separate all this stuff. As you can see, I'm going by the accessories list at the top, so I'm counting everything to make sure it matches, make sure I'm doing it right. Because y'all, let me tell y'all something, your girl is not Bob the Builder, okay? Alright, y'all, so I got everything labeled. Everything is put in the right place. So we are ready to start, guys. We're good. Let's get this show on the road. So as y'all just saw, I just rearranged my bed because this is where I want my little shoe rack thingy to go, okay? All right, that was step one, guys. Moving on to step two, right there. These instructions are so annoying because I was supposed to add these at the bottom. So my instructions literally had me go through that whole step for nothing because I gotta take it apart to put these at the bottom. So here we go, guys. Putting these at the bottom.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
see, we got the bottom half done. And I'm sweating. I am so tired. But let's go ahead and get this top half done. And then I will show you the finished product. All right, so far we are looking good, guys. Looking good. Let's go. Okay, so the last and final step here, I gotta figure out how to get it to roll up like this picture right here. So let's do that, okay? And voila, we are done. We did it, guys, all by ourselves. I'm so proud of myself. All right, guys, so this is the finished product. Thank you guys so much for watching. This video was so much fun to make. I am extremely tired. If you would like to see more videos like this, more little projects, give this video a thumbs up. Again, thank you so much. As you can see, I have a lot of shoes, y'all, so I'm about to go handle that. Bye.